Hello and welcome back to Highland Hills Farm. Today we're going to be showing you a video of our sausage gravy. In our previous videos you may have seen John creating a recipe for our buttermilk biscuits, and now we're going to show you the sausage gravy that we use on those biscuits. If you like our videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, and also please down there hit the subscribe button. Let's get this started. All right, welcome back. We're going to begin by getting our cast iron skillet warmed up. We put our stove on medium heat here. Then we're going to take our ground sausage. We need to use a pound, and we prefer to use this Country Mild Jimmy Dean. It's a little less spicy. Our family isn't a fan of the spicy sausage. So we're just going to throw that into the pan, brown that up, and then move on to the next step. Sausage has browned now, and as you can see there's a little bit of grease or fat in the pan. We want to make sure to leave that in there. That is what gives this its flavor, gives the gravy the flavor. So now what we're going to do is just sprinkle our 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour over the sausage, and then we're going to mix that in. And we're going to mix that and make sure that we're cooking this for about 1 minute to 3 minutes. We want to ensure that the raw flour flavor is gone from this before we add our milk. We've added our flour to our sausage, and we've cooked it for about 1 minute to 3 minutes, which is allowing it to make a roux. And now we're going to take our 2 cups of milk. Occasionally you may have to add more milk. They say sometimes you may have to add another cup of milk, but we're going to start with this, and we'll just add that in and continue to mix. And because we've added that flour, it will thicken this milk and make it into a gravy. So we'll cook that for a little bit, let it thicken up some, stir it occasionally while we're cooking this, and then we'll come back for the final steps. So we're just about there. This is getting thicker. We're going to give it a few more minutes, but as we are waiting for it to thicken some more, we're going to add some salt and pepper, and this is added to taste. So whatever your family prefers, that's what you're going to do. So we'll just add some pepper, and then we'll add some salt, and we'll continue cooking for just a few minutes so that it'll thicken a little bit more. So here we are. We've got our sausage gravy completely cooked. We've got our biscuits that we've cooked in our previous video that you can look back and see how those are made. And we're just going to take our sausage gravy and we're just going to drizzle it over our biscuits here. And there's dinner. We enjoy this as our meal. Working the farm and working full-time jobs can be pretty difficult. So this is one of those meals that's pretty quick and easy. Thank you for joining us today as we made our sausage gravy. Please don't forget to like our videos and leave a comment, and continue to follow us here at Highland Hills Farm. Have a good evening. Life's an adventure near and far. Join us today at Highland Hills Farm.